Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. This evening, it's kind of late, pretty much evening time for me. I try and be done with work by this time of the day, but my neighbors over here told me that their car had broke down in Orem earlier today. And anyways, we're gonna go up there, take care of it for them, especially for a neighbor. I'll get out after hours and help them get their car looked at. So apparently it was making a grinding sound from the front driver's side, I believe, when they were moving specifically. Don't know what it is. Wheel bearing could have gone out. I've seen it happen where a control arm drops out, you know, lower control arm or whatever, but sometimes that'll kick your tire out and do something weird. No idea. We'll go up there and take a look at it. I've got my jack, we've got the Rescue Ranger. Anyways, we'll get up there, get this looked at, diagnosed, and we may fix it, we may not. We'll see. Here we go. All right, here we are. So we'll get taking a look at this, see what that sound is, and we'll jack her up. Well, I may take her for a spin down the block here. It's a quiet little road, and see if I can hear it, and then just to get some ears on that sound, and then we'll jack it up. Well, let me look first, then we'll take it for a spin, then I'll jack it up. Yeah, definitely something there. Let's check this up and take a look. I'm sure you could hear that, but it sounds almost like one of those dust shields hitting something. We'll see. It should be pretty obvious. Get this placed well here. Alright, I'll let you know what I find. I'll grab that other camera if it's something obvious, and we'll check it out. It was snowing this morning. I was just saying in my video from yesterday that it was finally nice and warm, like 80 degrees, and it was snowing today, but it's not too bad now. It's definitely in the hub here, so I don't know, maybe we have a bad brake pad in the back here. Let's see. Nope. Dust shield, I think. Let me pull it back with my fingers and see what's going on. Oh yeah, I think we got a rock in the dust shield. I don't see anything yet. Hopefully I don't have to pull the rotor off or anything, but I can if I need to. Yeah, I think we just got a rock in there. Well, let me see if I can fish it out real quick. Nope, that's not even a rock. The dust shield itself was just bent forward on the top a little bit, so it was rubbing on that rotor. So I think I barely touched it. It's already better. You can hear there, but I'll pull it back a little bit more, make sure it's not touching anywhere. That'll be a job well done. Sometimes these dust shields in rust prone areas will get rusty and they'll break, and that'll cause a lot of noise. There's not one bit of rust under here. I mean, it never rains in Utah. That's what people are always like, what about your toolbox in the back? It just doesn't rain here. Stuff doesn't get rusty. They don't put salt on the roads very much, or rarely. And anyways, that's all better, and it's not a rust problem either, so that's a job well done. Let me get out from under here. If I ever don't mention it either, I have a jack stand under the car. Sometimes I just don't show it when it's under there, but let's see here. There she is. And set this down gently. easy. Gently. There we go. All done. Well, we'll take them their key back, but all we have to do is go home to do that, and that's a job well done. Thanks for watching. This was interesting and quick. I'm still gonna upload this because it's interesting and probably something people would like to know about. And if you liked it, consider subscribing, consider becoming a channel member to support the channel and help out, and we'll see you on the next episode. All right, we just got done with that job. That was a success, and I just wanted to say again, shout out to Extra Wallets. They sent me this wallet a while ago, and I like to test tools, and I always like to check back in the future, you know, if the tools and stuff that people have sent me are real good quality, and this Extra Wallet has been, you know, better than good quality. So this Extra Wallet's awesome. It pushes all your cards up for you, and you can even get a little GPS chip in here with it that's solar charged. It's a solar powered chip here, so it can ring. You charge it up with this little solar panel, it lasts for months, and then you can ring it with your phone if you ever lose your wallet, or your phone will let you know if you're leaving your wallet behind. So check out the link in the description down below if you're interested in these Extra Wallets. Again, I'm not making anything from this, but I just wanted to say this product's awesome. It's not a tool, and that's the first one I'm going to do that's not a tool. It's just a little follow-up, but awesome little product here.